We are the traces of ancient conversations between salt-stained escarpment and crumbling shore.
Traces is the result of how we might connect to the land and time and seasons and ultimately identity through technology. I'm Kirli Saunders. I'm a proud Gunai woman from East Gippsland in Victoria. I'm a multidisciplinary artist.
My name is Kamsani Bin Salleh. I go by the artist name Kamsani. Balladong Noongar boy based in Perth with connections going all the way up to the Kimberley. My main practice is public art.
It was created in partnership with the dedicated Google Creative Lab team, Magabala Books and Sydney Opera House. It's a digital voice-to-art installation mimicking our ways of mark making and sand drawing. It illustrates yarns in real time, grounding us in the old and new, here and now, in ephemeral conversation.
My name's Reid. My cultural links are Bardi, Jawi people. It's great that Magabala is a partner in this because this is all part of the way you move forward. You know, you've got to be exploring, you've got to be experimenting, you've got to be testing the waters.
The incredible team over at Google created a response that picks up on the intonation and the volume and the pitch of a spoken word piece, and then creates this beautiful mark making in real time.
Each of the markings are created by me, and in order to get variation, I had to create quite a lot of different markings, and a special shout out to the Google creative team for making this happen. It's like a nice blend between science and magic. For me, it's always been making stuff for an Indigenous mob first. My auntie always told me, like, if you're doing it for mob first and they have an appreciation for it and it strengthens us, then it's something that is better for wider society.
Calling me to Bara.
If the old people were here today, they would be fascinated and they would trust that we're doing the right thing with country and culture.
We are the bridge between. A seam stitching always was with, will be, a bearer of sovereign stories of country, sky, and sea.